Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Universal Analyzer. We will start the video by an inspiring quote. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. In this video, we are going to become familiar with the quadratic equation. Which equations are said to be the quadratic equation? Which equations are said to be the linear equations? Today we will clarify that doubt. Now we will have one activity. Here some of them polynomials are given like 5x plus 9, x square plus 3x minus 5. Now if someone asks you which polynomial is linear polynomial and which polynomial is a quadratic polynomial, then how to identify? Here, first of all, we have to see here the degree of this variable x is 1. Therefore, it is said as the linear polynomial. Of the variable x is here, it is 1 and it is 2. We have to consider the greatest one. Here only one variable is there, therefore the greatest will be the one. Here x raised to 0 it is minimum. Greatest we have to consider and we have considered here, so it is said to be the linear polynomial. Here the greatest one is here, x raised to 0 will be there, then the greatest will be the 2, therefore it will be the quadratic polynomial. In this way, we can differentiate between linear polynomial and quadratic polynomial. Now, quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. The equation involving one variable and having 2 as the maximum index of that variable is called as the quadratic equation. For example, I will take the general form as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This equation is involving one variable, that is x, and having 2 as the maximum index of the variable. Here 2 is the maximum degree of this variable. Here it is 1 and here x raised to 0. Now here what does this means? That the roots for quadratic equations are maximum 2. What is meant by maximum 2? There may be 2 or 1 or none, but 2 will not exceed. Roots of quadratic equation means, for example, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is the general form of the quadratic equation. The value or the constant value of this variable are said to be, it may be z, y. In this way, the constant value of this variable x are said to be the roots of the quadratic equation. Now, here some of the examples I have taken from the practice set 2.1. Here decide which of the following are the quadratic equations. Now, first of all, we have to see as it is given, we have to represent in this way, that given x square minus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here in this equation it is in the form, general form. First of all we have to see that, and then there is one variable having the degree, maximum degree 2. Therefore, it is quadratic equation. Now, in this question, directly we should not conclude that it is not the quadratic equation. First of all, this equation we have to convert it into the general form, that is in the standard form. That is given x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 2. Cross multiplying x square plus 1 by x is equal to minus 2. That is x square plus 1 which is equal to minus 2x. That is x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we can see here in this equation only one variable x is there and its index, maximum index, it is 2. Therefore, it is quadratic equation. In this way, first of all, we have to convert the given equation in the standard form, and then we have to observe that the variable should have the maximum index of 2. Question number 3 from the practice set. The question is that determining whether the values given against each of the quadratic equation are the roots of the equation. If such questions they have asked, here the equation is given and x is equal to 1 and minus 1. They have said us that identify whether these are the roots of these equations or not. Then what we have to do, that first of all we have to put this value in this equation and we have to verify that if LHS is equal to RHS or not, and if LHS is equal to RHS then it's the root of this equation, otherwise it does not satisfy, then it's not the root of this equation. We will see how to solve this equation. Given x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now consider LHS. We should not take side by side. First of all, we have to consider the LHS, which is equal to x square plus 4x minus 1, which is equal to, putting x is equal to 1, 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 5. Here, since x is equal to 1, which is equal to 1 square 1 plus 4 into 1 4 minus 5, that is 1 plus 4 is 5 minus 5, which is equal to 0, which is equal to RHS. Now here we can conclude it that LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equal to 1 is the root of this given quadratic equation. In the same way, we have to conclude it that x is equal to minus 1 is the root or not of this quadratic equation. Then we have to write, consider LHS is equal to x square plus 4x minus 5, which is equal to minus 1 square plus 4 into minus 1 minus 5. Since x is equal to minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 square is 1, that is minus 1 into minus 1, that is 1 into 1 1, minus minus plus, plus, sorry, here it will be 4 into minus 1 is minus 4 minus 5, which is equal to 1 minus 4 is minus 3 minus 5, which is equal to minus 8, which is not equal to 0, that is not equal to RHS. Here LHS is not equal to RHS, it concludes that x is equal to minus 1 is not the root of the given quadratic equation x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. This final answer we have to write. In this way, we have to identify whether the given value of x is the root of the given quadratic equation or not. Here, question number 5th from the practice set 2.1 is that find k if x is equal to 3 is a root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now, given is that kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. By reading this question, you will get doubt that what we have to find and where we have to put this value. Here they have given x is equal to 3 is a root. Is a root means it satisfies this equation, that is the value of x from this equation is 3. Then by putting this value of x is equal to 3 in this equation, and then we can find the value of k. Now put x is equal to 3. Therefore, k into x square, that is 3 square minus 10 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. K, that is 3 square is 9k minus 10 3s are 30 plus 3 is equal to 0. 9k minus 27 which is equal to 0. 9k is equal to 27. K is equal to 27 by 9 which is equal to k is equal to 3. We have found the value of k which have been told in the question. This way we have introduced the quadratic equation in this video and solved some of the problems from the practice set 2.1. If you have any doubt, please comment